This is Professor Survi Agarwal and I am here to talk about presentation skills. We all need presentation skills on a daily basis to deal with lots of people in our daily life. And why presentation skills are so important? So that we can convince, negotiate and deal with these kind of people who will be advantage to us in the future. Why comfort is important? Because the way you dress up, the way you carry yourself, the way you come on time will make your body language and gestures more comfortable. Practice. Practice is very important in presentation skills. You have to build in-depth topics slowly, gradually, and go into the details gradually. So the audience wants to know when, where, how, which. You can focus on these questions. Pause. A pause is important for the audience to digest what you have told, to absorb the points, and to analyze what you have told. After a pause only, ask the audience question. Did you understand? How was it? Do you want me to repeat? Did it make sense to you? Do you think it was useful? Say yes or no. Also, when you are playing a video, you have to switch off the lights. And when you are speaking, the lights have to be switched on. This coordination has to be explained to the technical team. Secondly, it is a two-way process. The more you respect the audience, you will get it back. Your voice and body movement will be seen by the audience. See to it that it has a modulation, otherwise it will sound like a robot and audience will get bored. So basically your promotion can be dependent on your presentation skills. It's high time that you improve it. Giving a nice intro or a punchline makes it more effective. Time management is very important throughout the presentation. Coming on time, starting everything on time so that audience respects you more. And for that, lot of pre-planning is required. Visuals help 70% retention more than the text. And that is what you should keep in mind when you are talking about presentation skills.
Subscribe full subject at www.incod.com.